I'm here today with Umberto again.
Hi everybody.
And what a week did we have this week. It was busy.
Very. Looks like time went by quickly for us this week.
Yeah, actually it went by so quickly that I got up this morning and thought it was Friday, but it's actually Saturday. So that's how quick it went. I missed the day. And I'm glad I discovered it because I was scheduled to work today online with the guys in Florida, and I wouldn't have been there if I wouldn't have discovered that early enough. Missing a day work. But anyway, yeah, it's been exciting. This week we have gone through a lot of things. We have put out a couple of videos where you have seen the city come in and actually
distributed rice.
Distributed rice. Long, what do you say? Long waited for. It's been, 10 weeks almost now in quarantine. People are getting a little antsy.
Yes. People in the U.S. don't realize how lucky they are. The stimulus package gave what, about $1,200 to people, something like that?
Yeah, stimulus package gave about $1,200.
About $1,200.
I mean, it's hard to compare it because the cost of living in the United States is so much greater than it is here. But the stimulus package here contained of about $100 for truck drivers. I think it was 6,500 pesos, right?
Yes, 6,500.
6,500 pesos for truck drivers, jeepney drivers, and
people who lost their income.
People who lost their income, who is part of the public service, I think, as far as transportation. I think they got their 6,500 a couple of weeks ago, I think.
Right, but for people the other people, they only had what, 2 distributions of rice.
Yeah, anybody
canned
else?
Goods.
Anybody else had over this 10-week period got until this week, and we're coming to that. Until this week, they got 6 kilo rice and 5 sardines, cans of sardines. I mean, we're talking
the 555 cans, which is very small.
Yeah,
200 grams.
I'm gonna put one up here so you can actually see in my hand how big it is. 5 of those or 6 of those or something like that, and that was all for the past 9 weeks. So finally this week, and I think the city has done what they can. The logistics here is the difficult part, I think. Trucks, I mean, they've been talking for 2 weeks about getting in here, and every time it has not been due to the city or the city mayor or anybody's fault within the city. It just has been the massive distribution that is going on to all these thousands of barangays. I bet it just in Luzon alone takes a lot of times. Just this barangay alone, so you guys get a picture of it, had 25 kilo of rice. 25 kilogram of rice is roughly 55 pounds.
Yeah, about 55 pounds. And what is it, 2,500 homes in this neighborhood?
Yeah, 2,500 homes just in San Isidro
barangay. This is just this barangay.
And the logistics. I think Mabalacat, I am not 100% sure, but I think Mabalacat has over 100,000 population, maybe even more. And feeding all those, and then you go from you go into Angeles, you go to San Fernando, you go everywhere, and all these trucks that are delivering these help stuff.
Yeah, the trash trucks. Huh?
Yeah, trash trucks.
They were clean though.
Yeah,
hey,
they had cleaned them up.
I helped unload one, and it didn't smell like anything. It looked like it had been washed with chlorine properly.
Washed with chlorine properly.
So I'm proud of them. At least they're clean.
Yeah, they were clean, and they were doing a great job there. So anyway, so that got out yesterday, and today you discovered that there was one area, and we can bring this up because it is also tells you a little bit about certain things in this area in Philippines, Philippines in general, about the squatter areas.
Yes.
Those are people sometimes that might be living on somebody else's land, and they do it with the understanding of the landowner and all that, but it doesn't have an official address.
Exactly.
And these people are not officially registered properly, so
there's about that place where
it's
where
about 100
families.
just down here in one area, and we just heard today that they were not part of the 25 kilo or 55 pound rice
Because
bag
there's no address.
distribution.
It's not
Because
official.
there is no official record. So that's another thing we have to probably look into, see if we can't get some rice down to these people. We actually went there today
To get some milk for the
scorching
children.
rain. It was just pouring down, pouring rain.
It was exciting though.
It was exciting.
And refreshing because it was hot today. My gosh, was it hot! And then the rain felt so good. I love the rain.
So we actually went out and distributed milk in the pouring rain today. Everybody had an
In the
umbrella.
squatter areas, they were very nice. They came out and covered us, and they brought us some fruit and some other things. Oh,
Yeah.
these people are so nice.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's the thing with these people, you know. Even though their situation is tough, their living conditions are tough, everything is very, very hard, they still manage to have a smile on their face all the time.
Not only that, but they're warm and also very
Kindly, they're kind, they're friendly.
friendly, kind.
And have a great appreciation for anything you can help them with, you know, give them milk to the children, and we've been down there I think 3 times with rice.
Yeah. And they're all smiles.
Yeah,
They're all smiles.
all smiles. And we've been down, this was our third distribution of milk, or maybe fourth, but third for sure, that we did down there in that particular area. We did
I think it's the fourth.
possibly.
I think
Possibly
it's the fourth because I didn't go the first time, and I've gone 1, 2. This is the third time there, so this will be the fourth. I think.
Yeah, so maybe we've been down there 4 times. So we're going to continue that until we know, and that's another thing here now. We can bring that up. We don't know really when this is going to be over. As far as the quarantine, the general quarantine that they say is going to come on June 1st. To me, when I look at the general and now the modified enhanced quarantine that we're in currently, I don't see any difference.
Not much.
You know.
I think the only thing that's going to change is the checkpoints. They're just removing
Yeah,
the checkpoints. You'll be able to move around a little bit
Inner
more.
city a little bit,
But still, everything is going to be the same thing. You got to wear a mask. You don't need to have your barangay pass.
Yeah,
to get
well,
around.
you probably, this much I know now, you don't need your barangay pass to get out here. You know, Janice can go out if she wants. I asked up there. However, if Janice needs to go and do some shopping, you know, my wife, if she needs to go and do some shopping and stuff, they won't let her in the store unless she has a barangay pass. And me, I'm an old man. They won't let me in either. I'm 60 plus, so none of us can go shopping anymore. The only place that hasn't been enforcing that at all, and I don't know if they're under different rules and why they don't do it.
The warehouse is a club warehouse.
It's our club warehouse.
Yeah, it's like a Costco, but it's S&R.
Yeah, Costco's.
They got to be affiliated because they sell all this.
Yeah, it's Costco products in there.
Yeah.
So I heard it. I think I heard somebody said they're co-owned and all that. So what else do we have to talk about?
Well, there's so many things that we did this week. We were talking about that. Both you and I have been busy on our phones and getting you know, things done, accomplished,
Right.
long distance.
Yeah, it's hard sometimes, but we get it done.
We get it done.
We get it done. All right, guys. Just a short little reminder. This will be a Saturday morning video Eastern time. I'm going to release it here tonight in Manila. And tomorrow morning, Manila time, we do have a live feed. So come on to the live feed at 8 a.m. Manila time. That would be 7 p.m. Saturday night, Eastern Standard Time. So come and see us there. And we love to have you on. If you have a camera or microphone and would like to come in and collaborate as an online live person, I'd love to have you there. So then just message me. You can message me on my Facebook or in one of the comment sections below this video, and I will send you a link so you can get into the live feed. We'll be live 8 a.m. tomorrow, Manila, 8 p.m. I'm losing my word here. 8 p.m. Saturday night. So, with that, thank you. God bless, and
Stay
bye-bye.
safe out there.
Stay safe. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.